Dive deep with us. Let's find ocean numbers today. Join our bubbly math crew. Subscribe for more ocean fun. Today we are learning Under the Sea Math Adventure, Water Wave Counting Ocean Treasures. Finley found one yummy ice cream treat in a bubble. Then one more ice cream treat floated by. How many ice cream treats are there now? Yay, 2 ice cream treats. You are a math genius. Gilly spotted 5 sweet grapes floating on a leaf. Suddenly, one more grape drifted down from above. How many grapes do we have in total? Awesome, 6 grapes. You are doing great. Wally the whale is lonely with only one friend. Oh look, one more whale just swam over to play. How many big whales are there now? Amazing, 2 whales, you are a superstar. Rusty found one lost robot on the sandy ocean floor. He quickly found 4 more robots hiding in the seaweed. How many robots did Rusty find? Wow, 5 robots, you solved the puzzle. Shelly is holding one ice cream treat for a snack. Her friend brings her one more cold treat. How many ice cream treats are in her hand? Hooray, 2 ice cream treats. You are super smart. Bubbles sees one busy bee swimming underwater. Then 3 more bees join the underwater party. How many bees are swimming now? Fantastic, 4 bees, you are a math hero. Coral has one shiny strawberry in her claw. She finds 2 more strawberries in the sand. How many strawberries does Coral have? Yes, 3 strawberries. You are doing wonderful. Flippy saw one frog hopping on a lily pad. Then 2 more frogs hopped onto the pad. How many frogs are there in total? Great job, 3 frogs, you are so clever. Piney found 2 pineapples near the reef. He discovered 7 more pineapples hidden in a cave. How many pineapples are there now? Incredible, 9 pineapples, you are a math master. Tilly saw 3 toy trucks at the bottom of the sea. Then 4 more trucks drifted down to the bottom. How many trucks are there together? Perfect, 7 trucks, you are brilliant. Dobby found one friendly dog swimming with him. Soon, 5 more dogs splashed into the water. How many dogs are swimming with Dobby? Yay, 6 dogs, you are doing amazing. Captain Crab has 3 toy boats in his collection. He just found 5 more boats in the coral. How many boats does he have now? Fantastic, 8 boats, you are so sharp. Eartha sees one globe of the Earth in the current. Another one globe floats right next to it. How many globes are there total? Brilliant, 2 globes, you are a star. Frosty found one snowman made of sea foam. Then 6 more sea foam snowmen appeared. How many snowmen are there now? Amazing, 7 snowmen, you are a counting pro. Barry has 5 strawberries in his secret stash. He finds 4 more strawberries in the kelp forest. How many strawberries does Barry have? Woohoo, 9 strawberries, you are doing great. Pete found 1 slice of pizza under the waves. He found 2 more yummy slices nearby. How many pizza slices are there? Yummy, 3 pizza slices, you are so smart. Ben collected 3 pieces of broccoli. He found 2 more pieces floating by. How many pieces of broccoli total? Great, 5 pieces of broccoli, you're a math whiz. Gus has 3 guitars for his underwater band. He found 6 more guitars in a sunken ship. How many guitars does Gus have now? Rock on, 9 guitars, you are amazing. Mushy saw 3 mushrooms on the ocean floor. Then 2 more mushrooms popped up. How many mushrooms are there? Super, 5 mushrooms, you are a math star. Terry has 9 tacos for the fish party. He just made 1 more delicious taco. How many tacos are there in total? Delicious, 10 tacos, you are the best. Penny has 5 penguins swimming in the sea. Then 3 more penguins jumped in to swim. How many penguins are swimming now? Wow, 8 penguins, you are so clever. Oscar found 4 oranges in the deep blue. He found 2 more oranges in the sand. How many oranges did Oscar find? Awesome, 6 oranges, you are a math expert. Fred has 5 frogs playing in the reef. Then 3 more frogs joined the game. How many frogs are playing now? Amazing, 8 frogs, you are doing great. Lucy has 7 leaves floating in the water. She finds 2 more leaves drifting down. How many leaves are there in total? Perfect, 9 leaves, you are so smart. Sunny sees 4 suns shining in the water. Then 6 more suns appeared in the bubbles. How many suns are there altogether? Brilliant, 10 suns, you are a math genius. You are an ocean math star, see you next time.